Hi, my name is Rosemary Nugent. I'm a member of the Operations Staff Department. I'm here from 2006, 17 years this make I'm here. I've grown up in the country, in St. Catherine, Harkers Hall. I went to Sargeantville All-Age School. From there, I went to Passley Garden. And from Passley Garden, I do a evening class, and from there, enough little work. Before I came to UCC, I was going to an evening class, still doing a little evening work, tidying here and there, and somebody recommended me to here for 2 weeks to do a 2 weeks job. And from I come here to do the 2 weeks job, June 2006, I'm still here until now. One of the biggest changes that I've seen in the university since I'm here, the company is growing, it's constantly growing and growing a lot. And I'm really happy for that since I'm here. And I really add to that. But coming here in the morning and keeping the facility clean, I think the operation department have been doing a lot. People recommend us and say the place is clean, and they're glad we keep the facility clean, and we're always here early to do what we have to do. But people don't keep in the bathroom. The bathroom is the major one. We have to really work on it every minute. And they always congratulate us on the bathrooms, especially. Yes, I'm proud of the work that I'm doing. We are all proud, not me alone, the others 3 ladies or 4 ladies. We are all proud of the work that we are doing. And no work is downgraded. Do it to the best of your ability. Thanks to the university, thanks to my department for having me here so long and acknowledging me in the work that I do. And thanks to UCC overall. Thank you for having me here.